Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. This is a brand new day. This is the last day before vacation for Tyler. And guess what? Today is
Carnival!
Today is Carnival Day. Come Tyler, come Tyler. We have a superhero going to school. You're gonna have fun
You
at
call
school.
that superhero?
He is a superhero.
Okay.
Even the bad guys are superheroes. You alright? You gonna have fun today at school? Alright guys, so yeah, it was we Friday
I
the
don't
last
think it look
day.
the same without the thing at the back of the head. He said this one doesn't come with it. This one doesn't come with the thing to cover the back of the head.
It doesn't?
That's what he
It
said. It
doesn't.
doesn't.
Okay,
It's the other one that came with it.
okay.
Because when I
Alright guys, yeah, because today is Friday, is the last day, and Tuesday was Mardi Gras. I don't know where you are if you celebrate Mardi Gras. As you can hear, is a French celebration, but I think it's all over the world now. So yeah, Mardi Gras originally celebrating the end of the carnival. So today is gonna be carnival at school. Alright, gotta go.
Mama.
Papa going to school.
Hey!
Mama.
Yes.
Mama. Look, it's the other one. It comes the thing over the head.
Kiss me like,
Cause me no want get you cool.
Mama.
Sarah, bisous à papa,
Look,
papa.
I told you, see, because he is the other one and he has the cape and he's not the same one as this one.
This one only have the mask.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like, it's this one that has...
You guys, good morning. It's a brand new day, as babe tell you guys already. I am heading now to take the kids to school. I'm hyping myself up for workout.
And
because these days,
because I got to wear my costume all day.
love you. Bye. You have everything?
Yes, sure.
Key, beep, laptop, too.
Yeah.
Heading out to take. You have a lunch. Heading out to take Tyler to school right now.
Keep Sarah with you.
Come, Sarah. We're gonna go after Papa. Come. Shoes. Let's get shoes. Shoes. Let's put on your shoes. Come, shoes.
I'll put on your...
Have a good day, my love.
Mommy, can you look? I think it's my charger for the phone.
Tyler, look if Papa charger plugging in the wall.
Yes.
Take it out.
Give it to me.
Give it to Papa. So you guys, as you guys can see, it's a bit chaotic around here because we are all getting ready to head out right now. Baby's off to work. I am heading to drop Tyler to school. Yeah, so that's what's going on. Hopefully you guys having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, and I'll see you guys throughout the rest of today. Tyler going to school in Delaveaus. Yes, Dad.
My mask.
What about your mask?
My mask to put on.
Yeah, I'm gonna go get it. Go get two. Tyler have festival at carnival at school today. Sarah, say morning to the faves. Look, say hi. Cuckoo. Look here, here. Cuckoo. Good girl. And I blow them kiss. Blow them kiss. Mwah. Say bye bye. We're going to drop her to school. She's always playing with clothespins. These days I don't have the mood to work, the vibe to work out. I'm just going through the motions because I know that I have to do it anyway. But boy, sometimes the struggle to work out is real. Don't think it's all hyped up every morning. It's not. It's reality around here. Not hyped up every morning at all. This girl loves playing with clothespin. Sarah. Nose. Anyway, you guys have a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, and we're heading out. I love Sarah jacket. Sarah jacket is from one of her auntie for Christmas, and she bought it at Pat Pat. If you guys have young kids and wondering where this wonderful jacket is from. Alright, you guys, so that's Tyler heading to school. You guys know he's have to be in Darth Vader. He's showing you his cape. Alright, ready?
Yes.
Let's go. You're gonna have a good day, okay?
Yes.
You guys' workout was good. I wouldn't say, well, it was good. I'm not my old vibrant hype up self, but that's completely okay. I got the work done. I got 42 minutes in this morning, and I just felt like stop, so I said, hey, I'm gonna stop here and call it a day. So right now I'm having my turmeric and ginger tea just after I finish workout, before I jump into breakfast. And it's been a week since I decided to give up sugar, so I've been doing well. No sugar for the past week. I wanted to give up salt, but I've given it up to some extent. I ain't gonna lie. The reason why I haven't given it up totally, when I say salt, I mean table salt, it's because I realized that most of the time that when I'm cooking also for Tyler and Babe, and I'm not going to jeopardize them to please myself. So I decided that, okay, let me use just a little less salt, or what I'll do is, if I have the time, I'll take out mine before I salt theirs. But yeah, it's been going well. 1 week I've surprised myself how well I'm doing. But I'm not really surprised, because whatever I put my mind to, I know I can do. I haven't had no snack for a week. When I say no snack, I mean none of Tyler's snack I haven't touched. No sweet nothing, no biscuit, no cake. I literally cut a piece of the cheesecake and put in the freezer and tell myself that that's gonna be mine when I finish all this. And I give up those things, not even realizing that I was jumping right into Lent. So I start off like 2-3 days before Ash Wednesday. So I've been good. I've been doing good. I've cut down on frying too. Instead of frying my eggs, I'm boiling them. If I don't have to fry anything for myself, I don't. So I've been doing pretty good. I'm proud of myself, and I'm even more determined now that I remember that it was Lent. Anyway, with all that said, I am sending lots of love and strength and prayers to everybody that has been affected in Texas. You guys know that's where my mom is. Mom is in Galveston, and she has been affected by it. My mom has been without light and water for 4 or 5 days. On the 3rd day, one of their friends went and got them from their house, because their friends had light and water. So they've been staying with a friend for the past 3 days, I think. So mommy had to leave home. She had no light and no water, so you can imagine how cold they were. And a friend of mine from high school that live in Houston, her house top, her roof came down. She actually does YouTube also, so you guys can go over to, I think her channel is called The Cleaning Mommy. to Peter Gay's channel and show Peter Gay all the love and strength. I'll link her channel down below in the description box. Peter Gay does solid cleaning and therapeutic videos, so go give her all your love. We went to Mona High together, and when I saw the video of her home on Instagram, I'm like, oh my god. So they'll have a lot of repairing to do, because I'm guessing that the pipeline burst and her house is just not looking good at all. So they're actually been staying in a hotel, but I'm sure at some point she'll give an update on her channel about that. But go over to Peter Gay's channel. I'll leave the link down below in the description box. With all that said, Sarah is done for a nap. Tyler is at school. He was so good to see all the kids, all his friends in costume and mask this morning. I am going to now make breakfast and have an hour of me zen time before I jump into some French. Anyway, you guys, enjoy the rest of today's vlog. After my turmeric tea, this is what breakfast looks like. I'm having a piece of toast, and this bread is made without flour, and it have avocado, cayenne pepper, and egg, no salt. So that's breakfast. You guys, I'm getting dinner ready for today. It's Pizza Friday, and we have mushroom frozen pizza, and this one is just meat, cheese, and tomato sauce. So we have 6 of this one, 3 here, 3 here, and 6 of this one, 3 here and 3 here. Then over here, I am steaming some veggies. I'm steaming some veggies for vegetable soup. In here I have zucchini, carrot, broccoli, and a piece of vegetable bouillon. And then I'm gonna blend that and soup will be ready. Tyler is home from school. He's in his room playing. Tyler is like that sometimes. Sometimes he just wants to be in his room and play all by himself. And worse, he's into building mode. He's into Lego and building and bringing out his creative side. These days he's in his room a lot. He's just building. Sarah, on the other hand, is here playing all by herself while Papa is on his way home. Hi! Hi! Head? Head? You just wanna dance for the face? You just wanna go sit beside me and touch my... No! No, 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 no! No, 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 no! Please? Give it to Mama, please. Give it to Mama, please. Please. Thank you. Please give it to Mama. Thank you. Don't touch anything else. You shouldn't even be sitting over there. What have you been up to, little girl? Look at yourself. What you rubbing your nose for? Look at yourself. What do you have to say for yourself? Why are you staring at them like that? Why are you staring like that? Is your eye dry? Give Mama a kiss. Kiss. Hooray! 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 Mama giving you back massage. And Mama gonna tickle you. Tickle you. Come here. Come here. Mama gonna tickle you. Tickle you. Oh, I'm gonna tickle you again. La 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 la. And you love it, don't you? Mama gonna tickle you. You don't want me to tickle you? Okay, Mama will stop. You don't want me to tickle you? No? Say stop, Mama, finish. Say finish. What are you doing? Hooray! 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 Show Mama mouth. Where's your mouth? Touch mouth. That's head. Where's your mouth? Touch mouth. Mouth and nose. Mouth. That's head. Head. Shoulder, knees and toes. Knees and toes. Head. Shoulder, knees and toes. Knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head. Shoulder, knees and toe. Knees and toe. Head. Shoulder, knees and toe, knees and toe, head, shoulder, knees and toe, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose, head, shoulder, knees and toe, Yay! If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, then you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, then you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Yeah! If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Yeah! If you're happy and you know it, move around. If you're happy and you know it, move around. If you're happy and you know it, then you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, move around. You're so adorable. Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. You're not shouting hooray for the face. She can well and shout hooray. Supposed to hear when the TV is singing and she's saying hooray. Hooray! Say hooray. Hooray! Good girl. Hooray!